How to fix DHgate application not working. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix DHgate application not working. If the DHgate application is not working on your device, then here are some steps you can try to resolve the issue. First of all, you need to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. You may also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see the app works better on one. Also, check if there is an update available for DHgate app in your App Store or Play Store. For that, go to the Play Store of your device and tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and there type in DHgate, then search for it. Once you find the application, tap on the app icon to reach inside it, and in this page if you find update button, go ahead and tap on update to install the latest version of DHgate application. But if there is open button instead of update, that means your application is already up to date. If the application is already up to date, you can go and clear the cache. First of all, open the device settings, and once you open the settings, just scroll down to find applications. Once you find the applications option, tap on it to open it, and here you'll find all the applications installed on your device. From here, you need to scroll down and find DHgate. Once you find the DHgate application, tap on it to open it. Inside it, you will need to scroll and find Storage option. Tap on Storage, and finally here you will be able to see the cache of your device. Tap on the Clear Cache at the bottom right to clear it. You may also tap on Clear Data to delete all unnecessary files and data. For that, tap on Clear Data at the bottom left, and then tap on Delete. This will delete all the application's data permanently. You may need to use your credentials to log in again to DHgate. Now after doing that, simply restart the device. After that, open the DHgate application and check if the issue still persists. If this is not solving your problem, then you can uninstall and reinstall the application. For that, again you will need to go to the Play Store and here search for DHgate, and once you find the application, go inside it and then tap on this uninstall button. After that, confirm it by tapping on uninstall once again. This will help you to uninstall the application from your device. Now once the application has been installed successfully, tap on the install to reinstall it on your device. Wait for a while until the application reinstalls on your device. And after the successful reinstallation, go ahead and log into your account using the credentials. So these steps should help resolve the issues you are experiencing with DHgate application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.